It's the end of day 4, and we're in Van Horn, Texas, as the sun is setting. Today's ride was more typical for us. The weather in the morning was overcast and cool, so we made good time, got around San Antonio and out past Kerrville, and then we stopped for lunch and had a picnic in a rest area. The afternoon got warmer and it got up to 100 degrees, so we stopped, soaked our wet vests, and made the final hour into Van Horn in a lot more comfort. One of the most interesting things that happens on a motorcycle trip is the people you meet. Our motorcycles are conversation starters, and this young woman stopped us in the McDonald's parking lot to talk to us about our bikes. She was very, very excited. She'd just gotten her own Harley and was scheduled to take the training classes in a couple weeks. Notice her car is in the Harley orange trim, and the inside is also orange and black. After we had our coffee, another fellow who was parked his motorcycle nearby stopped and talked to Beth about the camelback bladders that we carry in our tank bags. At our lunch stop, a crew was working on a truck that was broken down. Here we are at the Taylor Motel. It's an old-timey motel with garages. Our bikes get to spend the night in a garage very similar to the Blue Swallow in Tucumcari. This evening we walked to a steakhouse and had a great ribeye. And now I'm working on the vlog and the blog, and Beth is reading her book. Hey. Well, it's time to go edit this video. We'll catch you tomorrow.